U.S. indices all look ready to power higher. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNest, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The Nasdaq 100 has rallied slightly in the early hours on Monday as we continue to see a lot of noisy upward pressure after the election. I think at this point, it's more likely than not going to be a situation where the market is eventually going to try to get to the 22,000 level, but we are a bit stretched. So be aware of the fact that we could get the short-term pullback that I think, quite frankly, will end up being a nice buying opportunity. The 50-day EMA is near the 20,000 level and rising, so I think that is something that you need to pay close attention to as a floor in the market, if you will. I have no interest in shorting, and I do think that 22,000 is a very realistic target. The Dow Jones 30 continues to rally, and at this point in time, it looks like it is going to set its sights on 45,000 over the longer term. I do believe that on a pullback, we probably have to look at somewhere around 43,500 as a major support level, as it was a previous swing high. Again, we are a little overdone, but really there's nothing on this chart that suggests that we can't continue to just power to the upside. Short-term pullbacks should continue to be buying opportunities, despite the fact that interest rates in America continue to climb. Quite frankly, everybody is throwing their money at anything American they can after the election. That includes things that normally don't correlate, such as the US dollar and equities. And finally, the S&P 500 continues to flirt with the 6,000 level. Again, this is going to be a situation where anytime the market pulls back, there should be plenty of traders willing to get involved and pick up value. But it's probably going to struggle in this immediate area if it does not. And once we get through the 6,000 level, especially on a daily close, that signals the next move higher in the market, probably running towards the 6,200 level in the short term, maybe even as high as 6,600 before it's all said and done, based upon some measured moves that I had taken previously. I have no interest whatsoever in shorting any of the U.S. indices. My name's Christopher Lewis. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and join our channel for more analysis.